is Art with Raven, and today we are going to be drawing a snail and going to do art with watercolor paint. And I will show you the things you need. You need a cup of water, a painting cup with water, 2 white pieces of paper, a black piece of paper, watercolor paint, a paintbrush, scissors, and glue, and also a black marker. So we are going to be first off making the snail. So first off, what you're gonna do, you're going to start with a small spiral and make sure you don't do it the whole page. You can make it as big as you want, but just don't do it the whole page. I'm gonna stop here. And then you keep going up, curve, connect into the shell, and then make curves sticking out of its head, and then make some circles, color them in. Well, you don't have to color them in. Make him smiling, color in the eyes. You don't have to do it the way I did. Here is the snail. So now what we are going to be doing, so this is when you don't need the black marker now. Wait, yes you do. So this time you need your paint, your paintbrush, your scissors, and your glue. And also your black marker. So first off, you're going to get another white piece of paper, and you also need your water cup. So then you are going to make squiggly lines, but it doesn't have to be squiggly lines, but that's what I'm doing. Squiggly lines with your black marker. Make a bunch of them until there is no more space for no more. Keep doing it. Okay, so now this is when you need your scissors. Wait, no, you don't need your scissors. Get out your watercolor paint. Dip your paintbrush into the water. And this time, now you need rainbow color. And you're going to go like this. So keep doing the rainbow order. Keep doing it. And the whole paper has to be painted with the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So the colors of the rainbow, just in case you don't know what colors of the rainbow are, they're red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And also, if you wanna, you can squeeze in pink. purple is next after blue. And then once it's all dry, get your scissors out and then cut where the black line is. Be careful because your paper might rip, so be really careful about that. And just to say, you should not use lined paper, because that can rip really easily. So I'm just going to say you should not use white lined paper. And you cut it all the way off, okay? And keep going. But I'm going to not cut all of them off, but you can.
Star.
I am going to cut out only 5 of them, but all of them might not fit on the black piece of paper, but only use the ones what did fit on the black piece of paper. The ones you want to use on the black piece of paper. This might take a while.
Hey, girl, here. Oh.
And if you don't use watercolor paint, you may have to wait for like until it's the next day for it to dry, but watercolor paint dries really quick, and that's why I use it. I just have to cut one more strip because I said I was going to only cut out 5. I'm going to only cut out 5. Okay, so once you have all of them cut it out, even though I only cut it out 5 of them. So this is when you need your black piece of paper and make sure you have your glue stick out. Then what you're going to do, you're going to get your strips and put glue on the back of them. And then you're going to place them on the black paper. putting them on. This is what it should look like when you're done with it.